Hello everyone, my name is Michael, and this is a tutorial on how to use the Windows Magnifier tool. The Windows Magnifier helps to make it easier to observe what is displayed on the computer screen. There are two ways to open Windows Magnifier. The first is to click and hold the Windows logo key and the plus sign located on your keyboard. Another way to open the Windows Magnifier is by selecting the Windows logo key and type the word magnifier. The tool will appear at the top of your results. While the magnifier is running, we can increase the magnification of the computer screen by selecting the Windows logo key and the plus sign located on the keyboard. We can also reduce the magnification by selecting the Windows logo key and the minus sign on the keyboard. Similarly, we can increase and decrease the magnification of the screen by selecting the plus and minus sign located to the left of the magnifier window. The Windows Magnifier tool allows us to magnify certain parts of the computer screen. We can do this by selecting Ctrl, Alt, and L on your keyboard. This changes the magnification mode from full screen to lens. The Windows Magnifier can also be switched to a docked mode by selecting Ctrl, Alt, and D on your keyboard. While in this mode, the magnifier is docked at the top of the screen and shows the set magnification of the original screen. The Windows Magnifier is able to narrate what is being displayed on the screen. We can achieve this by following these steps. Select where you would like the narration to start. Since I want my narration to start at the vision statement, I will select the first word of that statement. We will then select our play symbol on our magnifier tool.
Vision statement: to embrace diversity and foster a welcoming, affirming, and empowering culture of respect and inclusion by ensuring seamless access to all Broward College programs, activities and services.
The narration will continue to play from that point until you select any key on your keyboard or mouse. While the narration is being played, we can select the skip icons located to the left and the right of the play icon to jump to the previous sentence or the next sentence respectively.
It is a student's responsibility to make the necessary arrangements for test. If a reader, writer, or special computer software, each campus has a testing center that is available for all students, but not all testing centers have.
The Read From Here icon located to the right of the magnifier window enables us to hear selected parts of the screen, such as a block of text.
To embrace diversity and foster a welcoming, affirming, and empowering culture of respect and inclusion by ensuring seamless access to all Broward College programs.
If we select the setting icon at the bottom right corner of the magnifier window, we will see options to change the speed of the narration as well as the voice of the narrator. If we select the option Go to Settings located at the bottom of the settings window, we will open the magnifier's system settings. The system setting contains options that can change the way the magnifier operates. In order to change the zoom increments, we can select the option under Change Zoom Increments. This will open a drop-down list showing the different increment values that can be used. By selecting the value of 25%, We can now increase or decrease the magnification by increments of 25. Below the Change Increment option, there are two checkboxes. The first checkbox allows the Windows Magnifier to start after we sign in. The second checkbox allows the Windows Magnifier to start before we sign in. The Windows Magnifier also has a checkbox which can be used to invert colors. This may be helpful to make the screen easier to read. Below the Invert Colors checkbox, there are options to change the magnifier view. We can do this by selecting the options below Change Magnifier View. This opens a drop-down list showing the docked, full screen, and lens view. If we select docked from the options available, we will see the magnification docked at the top of the screen. And if we select lens from the options available, our magnification view will be changed to lens mode. We have reached the end of using the Windows Magnifier tool. Thank you for watching. See you next time.